day before the demo, I used to ask the master teacher if what is the format of their lesson plan. I only knew 4 A's that time, and then he told me that it's now 7 E's. 7 E's? Kala ko 4 lang. So me in a panic mode did my research, and also I asked ChatGPT. Please make me a sample of 7 E's using these objectives. And yun, may lesson plan ka na. Although its activities are not related to, or is not achievable in a classroom setting here in the Philippines, because their laboratories are far more advanced compared to us. I utilized some indigenous materials for the students to use. I utilized indigenous materials na madali lang hanapin ng mga students. But of course, I prepared it for them. I made sure I had a PowerPoint presentation and also physical materials. Kasi, paano na lang kung mag-run out, di ba? I mastered the topic. I made sure that I am knowledgeable enough so that when a student will question, I can surely give some information about the topic. Most importantly, your classroom should not be very dull. So you have to engage with your students. Also, give them activities that could cater multiple intelligences. Hindi lang reporting, pwede ring pagawain mo ng tula, pasayuin mo, pakantahin mo, or anything as long as related sa objectives. Most importantly, I prayed a lot, even though my sleep was only 2 hours that time kasi all-nighter yung paggawa ng materials and then the lesson plan. Tomorrow is the demo. You know what? I scored 35 points during the demo. Perfect.